Okay, open up.
I told you it was a book.
You sure it's a book?
I told you it was a movie.
You sure it's a movie?
I told you it was a game.
Yeah. Remember how when we were looking for games, you kept saying, I want one with a girl on the front, I want one with a girl on the front. I couldn't find one with a girl, so I got one that had 3 girls on the front.
And not only that, that said totally spies and totally party.
So they're spies, Layla, like Eloise was in the movie.
Awesome!
And it's 2 players, so me and you can play it.
Awesome! She was pretending to be a spy today.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
And this one's from Katana, right?
Yep.
Yeah. What is it?
That is the punch cup.
Oh, they're called the Littlest Pet Shop toys.
You need help? Come here, baby girl.